Okay. Hey everyone. So today what we are doing is on this 2012 11 Patriot Jeep, we have to do the lower control arms. The one on the driver's side, I guess, is doing a squeaky noise thing, and it's more or less the bushings that are in here. But so what we have is we have the Mopar direct pieces, and you can see the model numbers there. So you can pause that if you like. And that's what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to get this thing jacked up. We got these two goons here to help. But we're gonna So this is one thing that we've run into. Whoever put, it was probably the dealer that put these lugs on tight. Yeah, they're only supposed to be maybe 90 foot-pounds, and we're using a breaker bar to get these off, and you can see how hard it is to get them off. Okay, so what we've done right now, we get at this bolt here. There's one down in here, and then we've got this here that we have to take off, but
easy peasy. Is it on?
Nope. Twist it. There you go.
There you go. Oh, hang on. You're fighting this thing now. Get that fuck out of there.
Okay.
It definitely is.
It's moving.
It's definitely the ball joint. But they don't seem.
There we go.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's crunching in there. So there we go. You saw how easy that was. We did have your 13. So you're going to need a 13/16 on this bolt as well as this bolt here, and this one here was an 18 mil. And then what you need in the back to get, because what happens is that this ball joint here has a groove in it, and what happens when you push that up in that, push that up into here, when you put that bolt in and things of that sort, it sort of clamps on that area. So you can see here we're just getting it back, put back in.
You gotta get all the way in first, Mikey. Das tight.
So there is a plastic shroud that goes underneath the Jeep. Take this off. There's like 6 10 mil bolts, and then you got 4 pins, 2 on either side. Take that off, make your life a whole lot easier. Then you can also inspect the belt while you're at it, just to see what the shape is and things of that sort, because it exposes it right there. But you can see here we're all put in. I've seen a video where they said to take off the caliper and rotor. You do not have to. We didn't. You just have to turn the wheel left or right, and that'll expose everything you need.
Yeah, you sprayed that, right?
Yeah. No. Did you spray in here, Steve?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Okay, so as you can see, we pretty much have the other lower control arm. There we go. It's all out there now. So now it's just a matter of getting the new one on, and we're almost done.
Okay. That's pretty damn close. Where's the bolt for this side?
Right here.
There we go.
Okay.
Alright.
That's oh, other way. Oh.
Here we are. We're just putting this shroud back on. Like I said, there's 6 10mm bolts that go into the bottom. I don't know what that would be. It's a brace, I guess. And you can see our control arms here. They're all installed. Look good and pretty there. But anyway, so that's what we've got yet to do. Like again, I said, there's push pins up here, and we just have to get those in place. They're just getting the push pins over there, and you can see we're getting all the bolts and stuff here. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions at all, please let us know, and we'll be happy to answer for you. But I mean, other than that, it's a pretty easy job. It has only taken us, like literally, to get the control arms out and the new ones back in. It only took us 1 hour and 10 minutes to do both sides. And that was after we took the tires off. We never did take the rotors and calipers off. We didn't have to. We just had it jacked up. Obviously, you want to support it appropriately. All the bolts and stuff is that as well. Make sure you use the manufacturer's spec as far as the torque setting on those. And yeah, like I said, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know. And again, thank you for watching.